Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Angate here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Metasploitable Framework 2 on Windows on VirtualBox. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so first of all, just search get Metasploitable 2, and just going to give you a Rapid7 link. Just go into that. Alright, so just download from SourceForge. It's just going to give you a after downloading this, just press download. It's just going to give you a file like this. So, yep, you can use your favorite zip extractor like Winrar or 7Z, right, and just extract it. Also, download VirtualBox if you haven't already. I already showed that in a previous video and how to install Kali Linux for VirtualBox. So just download VirtualBox and Windows host and install it. Alright, so after installing everything and extracting this, it's gonna give you a VMDK like this. So let's just open up our VirtualBox. Alright, let's remove these and let's create a new one. So new, and then call it Metasploitable 2. Type other or Linux. Choose other Linux 64-bit. Next, and then press next again. Use an existing virtual hard disk file. Add, and then go into wherever you extracted that Metasploitable 2, and that is gonna be in just a second. Alright, so maybe I just need to extract this one more time. Alright, so we're just gonna extract that, and it's gonna give us a VMDK like you can see over here. Just give it a moment, and it's almost done. Alright, then we're just go into the VMDK, open that up, choose, then next, finish, and then just start. So we're just gonna give it a few more moments until it starts. And basically, to log in into your Metasploitable Framework 2 or your Metasploitable 2 vulnerable Linux machine, just press MSF admin for the username and for the password. So we're just gonna give it a few more moments to start, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. And basically, what Metasploitable 2, it's just a vulnerable web application that is based on Linux, and it is very vulnerable, and it's basic web penetration testing training. All right, so it's not gonna be a GUI, it's just gonna be a terminal, so don't worry. Like, you did not fail to install this or anything. It's just there's no GUI for it. It's just a terminal, and it's gonna look like this. So just MSF admin, like it says over here, and then MSF admin again, and basically you are in Metasploitable 2. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video where we're going to be installing Metasploitable Framework 3, and this was Angry to you, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.